everybody. Let me put this here. Okay. No, I should move it over there. That way it doesn't block anything. So, double unboxing. Couldn't find scissors, so I'm using a Sharpie. I mean, not Sharpie. What do we got? Oh, yes! One thing I've always wanted, a Giraffe Farm from McDonald's. It became my favorite toy from that video. And this one, it has the Glow Store logo on it. Very trusting. Okay, so. Another coupon. Oh, what is this? I can see. Look at this. I'm gonna see what colors are it. Because it looks like a Baby Shakespeare Kinetic, which is one of my favorites from Baby Shakespeare. Not exact, but whatever. Well, whatever. Looks like I could put it into good use for a clip. This one is the Polaris from Baby Shakespeare. Okay, not the exact colors, but hey, who cares? And it looks like this. So, like, it's not exact, but I don't really care. Also, it's a lot smaller than I anticipated. I originally anticipated that it was going to be a lot bigger than it actually is. So, put these together. And I officially have the Polaris from Baby Shakespeare. Yes. Yes. This is a tractor from McDonald's. It's a Polaris from Baby Shakespeare. It's also from the Baby Vivaldi's Concert Hall and other remakes. I know it's not the exact Polaris, but I don't really care. I got this from Glow Store Gifts. I'll review this in the next cut. So this is it. A clip compilation will come eventually. Also, why isn't this rabbit moving? Okay, it's getting ridiculous. It's one of the most ridiculous things ever. No. Rabbits move. Okay, I don't know. I'll just have to ask someone that does. Oh, this rabbit kind of looks like the one from Baby Shakespeare. I know Sage has this and Samuel Lord has this. I don't know who else has it. I definitely don't know the exact version. Otherwise, I'd have a celebratory. It'd be even more to celebrate. But I also know that I'm glad to own it. And that's celebratory enough for me. Because this is going to be in my Baby McDonald anniversary special as intended. Also, why is this stupid piece not... Okay. Now you're just going to have to make do with the animals that matter. Okay. All right, back to the other side of this curtain. We have the Polaris Kinetic. from Baby Shakespeare. Okay, obviously not the exact one, but I don't really care because guess what? It still moves the same, looks the same, and it's still shaped the same, so I honestly do not care. Also, fun fact. I expected this to be like a little bigger than it is now. Like look how small it is. I mean, I don't think you might be able to tell the difference, but like, I expected this to be so much smaller than it is. Like, you have no idea. Anyways, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, see you all later. Goodbye. All clip compilations and stuff like that will be coming soon. Anyways, goodbye.